Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In this video, I want to tell you about the integration by part. About the formula of integration by part, you got two functions, the function u and the function v. And the function u will be the outside of the dx, and the function v will be the inside after d. We have two positions of this one. The first position, you got the number here or the function here is out of d, and the function v you got inside of d is mean the function after differentiation. And the formula will tell you about the next one. You will combine u and v together, u multiply v, and after that you will take the minus of the new integral. The new integral here you will change position between v and between u in here like this one. And after here you can see that the function v will be the outside of differentiate function and the function u will be the inside of differentiate function. And you can see now we have two functions only. The first function will be out and the new function, the next function will be in. Another example, you got m here multiply d of n, apply integral by part, you will got m multiply n integral of n multiply d of m like this one. You convert or you changing position between the out and in function of integral here. So we can see now we have the new one will be n and new one will be m. And for the original you got m here and the number or the function n will be this one. Another example, you will got here is a and the next one will be y, and apply the integral by part, you will got a multiply y minus you will have here is y and you got here is d of a. Okay, so only two function about the integral by part. That is very important. So the next thing I want to tell you about the mini integral. What does it mean, mini integral? The mini integral is mean you will write down the integral without integral symbol. Example, I've got the differentiate function like d of x squared. This function will tell you about you need to take differentiate of x squared. It means to multiply x here and multiply dx. That's it. And after this one, you will take the inverse action. I'm got here is 2x will be out of d and you got dx in here. I want to convert this one inside of this, mean I will take the mini integral. The mini integral after write down this one, you will got the x squared here. So after out, you move it to in, this means the integral. Okay, and the next thing I want to try is 3 multiply with x squared multiply dx here. So the same idea with the integral, you need to convert 3x squared from the outside of differentiate function to the inside of d. I mean d here will be inside of d like this one. So this action we call here is mini integral. Mini integral. I mean we need to take the integral, but we don't need to write down the integral function in here. You don't need to write down this one, only d, and you will convert from the outside function will be the inside of differentiate function. Another example about the mini integral, you will got here is cos x multiply dx. You will have here d of sine x here. So after write down this one, you got the function will be out of d become to in of d here. I mean the left hand side become to the right hand side of d. You got exponential function d e to power of x dx here. Take the mini integral without write down the simple of integral. You will got here is d of x e to power of x like this one. And go on for the general function. You will have here d become to x to power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 line here. So what is the mean point of this action? What is the mean point of each action? Okay, look at this, apply to the integration by part. I will take the example here is the integral of x multiply x multiply dx like this one. So we can see now you got the function here is out and the next one will be in here, but we have two functions outside of d. You got x and you got e to power of x. So I need to convert this one become to only one function. One will be in and one will be out. So I need to take the mini integral. The mini integral is mean the first step I convert the position here like this one. And look at this, e to power of x multiply dx. You will got this one will be the d of ex like this one. Okay, you can see here ex multiply dx become to only d of e to power of x. Just like this one. See, d to power d e to power of x. So you got here is one is out and one is in. I using the integration by part. You got x multiply e to power of x minus of converse position between x and e to power of x here. You got this one, and you can see now this is don't need to calculate the integral, but this one you need to calculate integral, but it is very easy now. From very complicated function like this, you apply integration by part. This becomes very easier, and apply that you will got e to power of h here multiply h and minus 2e to power of h because this one equal exactly to here. And after that you plus c for the general function after integration, after taking integration. Okay, understood? That's quite easy, right? The same thing with the second example. You got here is x squared multiply cos h and multiply dh here. Look at the slide at the beginning of this video. You got the function cos h multiply dh. Cos h multiply dh equal to d of sine h like this one. So you got this couple, and I don't need to write out. I don't want to write out cos h in here. I want to write out d of sine h like this one. And after this step, I got two positions, out and in, and apply integration by part. You got here is x squared multiply sine h minus change position between in and out. You got here is sine will be outside of d and d of x squared will be inside of d here. Apply that, you got x squared multiply sine h here and minus sine h equal to the h here. Oh sorry, this is a little bit longer, so I want to convert, I want to change this become to only h like this one. We don't need to use h squared here. I think that is too complicated, so we don't need to write down square anymore. The function will be integral sine h multiply dx. Compared to the original integral, this is very complicated. The outside function d, you got h multiply cos, and after integration by part, this becomes to very easy now. And integral sine h multiply dx equal to minus cos h here, and combined to the minus sign of the original, you will have the plus because sine, because negative of negative, you got positive. Yeah, plus here cos h, and the final step will be add to the constant number, as to the constant number. Understood? And how about this one? How about the integration of L and h multiply dh here? We have only one function outside is L and h, and the inside of d, the right hand side of d is only h. So this one will be the first, and the second one will be v. This one will be u, and this one will be v. Yeah, and immediately we can apply the integration by part formula. The first thing is I will take multiplication between the out and in. I mean L and h multiply with h like this one, and after that we convert, we change position of in and out. The out become to in, d of L and h, and the in become to out. You got h and b outside here. And look at this, you will got this is d of L and h, differentiate a function of logarithm function. I think you remember, right? This is will be equal to 1 over h multiply with dh here. All of this bracket will become to this one, and simplify this. After that you got only dh at the final. You got here is integral of dh. Integral of dh is mean h, is mean h minus h only here, and plus the constant number. We finish this one. This function or this one or the original here is a little bit harder for integration, but apply integration by part, we can divide the original function become to more smaller function, and h smaller here is a little bit easier than the original integral. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you when learning about the integration. If this video is useful for you, don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Share this video to your friend if you think that this video is very useful for them. Thank you so much for watching this one, and see you next time. Bye bye.